Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of what we're going to be talking about this month, March, at GD Commerce. We're doing DIY websites this month. I'm seeing tons of people who just can't afford to have someone build their website for them, but don't really know where to start and what's involved in creating a website. From a very high level, you want to look at your platform and what you're actually going to be building your website on. There's tons of different options out there. So this past week we talked about that in our blog, and then you want to look at the template, and that's the visual aesthetics that you see on your website, but also the entire foundation of your website. So it's super important to choose a template that not only aesthetically relates to your brand, but also has all the functionality that you need. Then you want to look at your navigation. So that's your menus, your main menu at the top, your footer menu, any side menus. Also navigation that also includes filtering if you have a lot of products for your company. All of those things are things that you want to take into consideration when you're choosing the template, but ultimately the setup of the navigation is also super important as well. And so you want to make sure that it's very easy for who's ever coming to your website to find whatever they're looking for. So navigation is super important. I wanted to make it its own category because it's not something that you want to overlook. Then we also look at content, and that's your products if you sell products, but also how you sell those products. So we want to make sure that all of the information that your customers could possibly need is available on your website. A lot of the time people try to deter people to call or make whatever call to action that they want to do, but they don't give them any information. And so unless you entice customers with a little bit of information, you're not going to be able to get those customers to make that call to action. So it's not a wise move to just not give them any content and always tell them to call. So that's something to keep in mind. The next thing you typically do with your website is set up the settings. If you're doing e-com, that means shipping, taxes, things of that nature. Also adding your domain, super important at that stage. And then it's time for launch and analytics. So once you launch your website and it's out there in the world, you usually want to have Google Analytics crawl your website, and then launching your website is not the end of it. You always want to be checking on your website, seeing how you can improve, seeing where the funnel crashes, and working on that and improving your website, because it's a constant thing. And if you've already built it, you already have the knowledge to be able to make those fixes as well. So if this was helpful for you, make sure you like and subscribe. If you do have any questions or you want to see any specific content coming from us this month, make sure you comment down below. And I'll put in our description the sign up for our newsletter if you do want to have all of this information coming directly into your email inbox. That's all from me, and I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.